Hi, I'm Scott, Manager of R&D for Fabspeed Motorsport. Today I'm showing you a system that we just finished development on. It's for a Ferrari 360. This system is a valvetronic system. Uses valves to control the flow of the exhaust. So if you want to run the car wide open, you can have the valves open and it's a straight through exhaust, kind of like a race exhaust. And when you want to be quiet, you close the valves and the valve runs up, the exhaust runs through the mufflers. So you can basically have the best of both worlds here. This thing actually weighs 61 pounds. It's a beast. We're going to save 30 pounds taking this system out. So we're going on our maiden voyage here with a new exhaust system that we designed for the Ferrari 360. This is a new valvetronic exhaust. Now the valves are open. I'm just going to give it a little blip. Not bad. Nice sound, right? I mean, it's hard to go wrong with a Ferrari, but this sounds exceptionally good. If I had a Ferrari, I'd be putting this exhaust on my car for sure. Here we go. Low. Let her rip, potato chip. Nothing beats the sound of a nice V8, right? All right, we're going to shut the valves off, and then we'll give it another run up here once I get around a couple cars. So, not quite as raspy. Still got good sound through the muffler with the valves closed, but not that raspy roll sound. So, you got some options. It's a good thing to have.